Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to make this very simple wreath ornament. This one has 2 rows and this one has 3 rows. So you can decide whether you want to do a 2-row one or 3-row one. So for this project you'll need your crochet needle, a pair of scissors, any yarn of your choice, and milk cartoon rings. These are found directly below the milk cartoon lid. I'm just going to quickly use a white one. So this project is perfect for any leftover color of yarn. You don't have to stick with the traditional colors of Christmas. You can decide what colors you're going to use, including the crochet hook size. It's at your discretion. You're just going to make a slip knot and slip stitch onto your cartoon plastic circle ring. Once you have that done, just move your yarn to one side and chain 1. Actually, it's chain 2. This is going to count as your very first double crochet. Then you're going to crochet 34, and I repeat again, 34 double crochets right around the plastic ring. Just continue 34 double crochets all around, right up until there, and that's where I'm going to meet you. We're back again, and I'm just making the last stitch, and I'm joining it in the top part of the second slip stitch. But first I want to change the color yarn I'm using. So there's many ways to change the color that you're using. This is just me trying to see which one is working for me. So I just changed my color. I'm pulling on the white wool to make it just a tad bit tighter. Now I'm going to chain 2, and I want to I'm going to hold both the green and the white tails to the side of the work so that I can work them in. So it's just less working in at the end of the project. Now I'm going to crochet 2 half a double crochets in each stitch. So I will repeat that. 2 half a double crochets in each stitch. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, half double crochets in the same stitch. And you can see I'm working in that green tail and white tail as I crochet. And you want to do that all around, and I will meet you back right there where I'm pointing. Now let us finish the last bit of this row. Again, it's 2 half double crochets in every stitch across. And you slip stitch into the top of your chain stitch. Cut the yarn because I want to join it with the third color I'm going to use. Again, I'm just going to quickly just work in this one end very quickly. Just that. I'm going to change to the color red. Again, you'll see me deciding how I'm going to join the yarn. Again, I say it's up to you. I'm just trying to figure out what works best for me, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm making at 1 double crochet immediately. In the first stitch. 3 chain, third chain, and I'm slip stitching into the very first chain stitch that I made, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So this pattern is 1 double crochet, 3 chain, and you join into your first chain and another double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, slip stitch into the very first chain that you made, 1 double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, slip stitch into the very first chain that you made, 1 double crochet. You're going to continue that in every stitch right around, and I'm going to meet you right back where you started. Let's just do this one more time. 1 double crochet, 3 chain, which you join with the slip stitch in the very first chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. This is to create the very frilly edge. So we're back to where we started this row. Let's do the last few stitches together. 3 chain, slip stitch into the very first chain, and 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 3 chain, slip stitch into the very first chain, 1 double crochet, and you're going to slip stitch into the top of the very top of the first double crochet that you made. And you cut your yarn, turn your project around, work your yarn in. Oh, why did I take the smaller hook? Excuse me for the coughing. Where is my bigger hook? Just work your tail piece in. Then you're just going to snippety snip with your scissors, which I cannot find my pair of tiny scissors today. And here you go. Now, of course, you're going to need to be able to hang this. So choose where you want to hang it from. And I'm going to use, I think, some white. And I'm going to make the piece for the hanging. Again, this can be as long as you need this hooking type of hanging thing to be. But I'm just going to slip stitch into the spot I've chosen and chain 20 chain stitches. If you wanted to hang lower, you can do as many as you want, chain stitches, or if you wanted to hang not so low, you can do less stitches. But it is very quick. It's simply 20 chain stitches. And you can see I'm rushing these 20 stitches. And I'm going, and I'm just doing some measurements. Yes, I like how that looks. And I'm gonna join it again with a slip stitch. Pull taunt. I'm cutting the yarn. And I'm just gonna tie a knot to join both these pieces of yarn together and work them in a little bit and then cut the ends out. Right, I got the place. Just going to try and pull both loops through at the same time. So this is the end result. You are more than welcome to put on a bow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and try this project and tag me. I'd love to see how other people are inspired and create their own. Have a fabulous day.